Hi guys, if you want to know how I did this style, then keep watching. What's up babies? How are you all doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I do the 2 puffs with the Swoop on my natural hair. On this channel, I teach people how to do hair for themselves, and if you want to learn how to do hair for other people, even to start your own hairdressing business, you can learn all on my channel. Let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Firstly, I divided my hair into 2 equal parts. Then I parted out some of my hair at the front for the swoop that I want to do. So for now, I'm just going to braid that part of the hair down whilst I concentrate on the ponytails. With the ponytails, I'm using Ecostyler gel to hold it. You can use any type of gel that works for you. This is what I had, and so that's why I was using this. I started off with my hair well combed out, by the way. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do because it's very simple to do. It gives off this Barbie vibes, and it also takes a very short time to do. It's definitely something you can do by yourself. Once the gel is evenly applied, I use a band to hold the hair. Once you're done holding the pony, you braid the hair that's left out, then you wrap it around the base. Now to the swoop. You make sure you comb your hair out very well, then you blow dry it so that it's very stretched. At this point, if your hair is short, you'd have to add some extensions to it, like a wig to it. I don't know why I decided to add a wig to mine. I'd seen someone do it before, so I was like, oh, let me do it. But my hair is quite long, so it was a very unnecessary step here. But I left it in the video just to show you guys who have short hair how you do it. You take some weave-on extensions, put some glue on it, and then put it inside your hair. I use 2 wefts of the hair. From there, you take out your natural hair, then you use a straightener to straighten it. Not just the top one, you have to straighten like all your natural hair. This is to allow your hair to blend with the weave-on that you have added to the hair. So ideally, if your hair is short, the wigs would extend your hair and make it a little bit more longer to be able to do the swoop. Afterwards, you apply the gel to your hair and then you comb it down. It is at this point that I realized that I didn't need the hair extensions I added, because like I said, my hair is already very thick and also quite long, so I didn't really need to add any weave-on extensions. And I wasn't also doing this style for it to last more than 3 days. I just wanted something I could use for a couple of days. Eventually, I removed the wigs that I put inside because it was even showing and it wasn't looking nice. This is also just to let you know that sometimes when you're doing your hair, it's not always going to be smooth. You try something, it doesn't work out, you have to try something else. That's how it is. Sometimes you guys comment on my videos, oh, you do it so effortlessly. Really, it's not always like that. Sometimes you would make mistakes, but you just try and fix it. So yeah, I removed the extensions and I decided to use only my natural hair to do the swoop. I put the gel all over my hair again. I combed it flat. Then I sprayed it with a little bit of Got2b Spray glue, just so it holds it more. From here, you take some bobby pins to hold the swoop into your hair at the back. You can use as many bobby pins as you want to, just to make sure that it's well secured. Once you have the ponytail and the swoop in place, you need your afro puffs. I wanted my afro to look a little bit bigger, so I put some scarves inside the afro. I learned this hack on TikTok and it works very well. I'm using the drawstring afro wig. I put the afro wig on the knots I tied, and then I just pull the drawstring and use it to wrap all around it. You have to make sure it's as tight as you want so that nobody will come and touch your hair and will fall down. Then you can comb out the afro a little bit. You can use your hands to shape it and then put it in place like you want. This is my friend Aram. She wanted to be in the video. We were going for brunch and I did this hairstyle. It took me like 30 minutes to do. It's a very simple hairstyle. It's a recommended hairstyle to anyone, to be honest. At this point, I was feeling myself because I thought it was very cute. Then Aram came with her setting spray to spray all over my face. So this is the end of my video today. How would you rate this hairstyle? I think it's a solid 9 over 10 for me. Like I've said several times already, it's very simple to do. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, kindly subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share, comment. Let me know what you think and what you would like me to do next. Bye.